everyone, it is Lori, your positivity princess. I'm going to keep this one short. Why do I even say that? We know I'm not capable of that. Okay. I just moved to my chair. That was not a fart. All right, listen everybody. I am a positivity princess and I'm teaching online for my students. So it's grade 9 that I'm going to be teaching, and it's grade 9 religion. And I'm kind of happy and excited about this as it opens itself to a lot of existentialism, and I love talking to them about positivity and about spirituality and mindfulness. And yes, it lends itself beautifully to it while sticking with the curriculum. We like to do that as teachers. Okay, so if you can see this space here that I'm working in, this is my office, and it is, well, I'm trying to be grateful for it because I have a space where it's private. There's some benefits. There's a window. There's lights. I do have a fridge. I don't think it's plugged in. I have outlets. I have a printer. I have a phone. So that's awesome, right? And it's private. So I'm happy about that. But this room is hideous looking, and I'm going to be transforming it using a law of the universe, as above, so below. So this is referred to as the law of correspondence, okay? Law of correspondence. So what I can imagine and picture in my mind becomes a reality. So what I'm going to need to do, and we know that a lot of money doesn't go into like the inner spaces of schools. It's not about it looking beautiful, but we'll see what I can do. I want you guys to see I'm challenging myself to have this space look presentable so that when I'm teaching my online classes, this background is like, wow, like that is just hideous. Again, being grateful for storage space. I'm not upset. I want you guys to see the difference here. I'm observing my actual surroundings and making observations about them that are as objective as I can. And I know speaking aesthetically, I don't love the view of it, the vision of it. It's a lot of mess and it's a lot of junk. And quick tour, guys. There we go. I'm gonna keep it short and quick. There's junk. Here's the parenting babies. Yeah, when they take home the babies, there's some junk here. Table with a random junk where I print. You can see a lot of features, yet a lot of junk and mess. So you can see, doesn't really, I don't know. There's my favorite part, my mirror. Okay, that's it. We need to fix that. So I'm going to be coming back to you guys with what I'm able to manifest with regard to using the law of correspondence to make this office look much nicer. Ideally so that I can come to work each day and my eyes don't feel sore from this sight for sore eyes, if you know what I mean. Or not sight for sore eyes, sight that makes sore eyes. Wow, can I even show you guys? Look at the drapes, oh my God. Whoa, 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 whoa. Again, gratitude. I'm gonna do a little gratitude blitz based on Andrew Cap's book, the last law of attraction book you'll ever need to read. So I'm going to be doing one of those before I leave, as I must list what I'm grateful for in here in order to attract more of the things that I like and maybe to detract from the things I don't. Guys, I love you so much. I hope you enjoy this video, and this is only part 1 because we're going to show you the after effects of my manifestations. We'll see what happens, okay? I love you guys. Subscribe so that you do not miss the next video, okay? The follow-up on this, and I'm going to be doing a whole lot of videos about gratitude in either October or November. We'll see how much time I have, okay? Love you guys.